Hey, what's up? Hope you guys all doing great. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you that how we can use make clipping mask, and also I'm going to show you that how we can draw a shape inside another shape, and how we can use this draw behind, which we can use it with shift plus D as well, and also draw inside shape. So this clipping mouse, and also this making a shape or drawing inside the shape is really important to know, because when you're going to design anything, you are going to need for these options. So let me show you how we use this. First, we are going to use how we can make a clipping mask. So here I'm going to actually make this star over here. Let's fill it with a color. So I'm going to make a copy from this. So here I'm going to actually alt and drag some copies over here. So let me control copy, control V. So let me paste one another. So I want these stars to be inside our shape. So first of all, we are going to group them together. So here, before group them together, let me actually paste more stars over here. So here, if this start is going outside your artboard area, so sometimes it happens that you design something and this is going outside your artboard, and you require to actually sort them together. So what is the method so you're using to do this, and I will show you here. So here, now let me control everything and right click, group them together. So here all is now in one group. So if I want to actually sort all of them into this artboard, I need to create a shape over here. So my artboard, let me check what's the size of my artboard. I think it's 3000 pixel by 2000 pixel. Okay, I'm going to add a rectangle over here. Click on the artboard. I'm going to create 3000 by 2000 pixel. So here I need to align this on the center, horizontal align, then a vertical align. Then you have to actually, if you didn't make the color of this as a white, so I'm going to leave it as it is, as a blue. So here I'm going to select everything, and here I'm going to right click, and here you can see we have this make clipping mask. If I click, you can see the blue color is now gone. It's only now this color is showing here. So here from the layers, so if I go to the layers, you can see we have no color. So let me release clipping mask. By right click and release clipping mask, it's going to actually here this rectangle is actually is available here. So here, if I want to actually make clipping mask everything, so the shape is on the back, so I'm going to click on make clipping mask. So again, you can see it's clipping mask into this rectangle. So I'm going to actually release clipping mask, and here I'm going to actually bring this to front, and here arrange, go to bring to front. So here I'm going to give it a color like this yellow color, or you can make it as blue as well. I'm going to right click and make clipping mask, again you can see that it's clipping mouse. So if I actually remove this actually move this to the back of this store, let me back, and now if I select everything, right click, make clipping mask, so what happened is nothing actually. It means that your shape your this shape actually clipping mouse inside this or that rectangle. So I'm going to control Z. So for making clipping mouse you have to bring your shape to front, so I'm going to bring it to front. So from here, so after that you have to select everything and right click, make clipping mouse. Now everything is under this rectangle. So this is how we can use this clipping mask. And let me show you if I want to actually let me add a color for this. So if I want my stars to be inside this shape, so what should I need to do? So from here you can see already the default is selected, draw normal normal shape or normal rectangle. Now if I want to select a draw behind, so if I want to actually draw anything over here, so it's going to be on the back of this page. So here I'm going to give it a color. So here it's actually drawn on the back of this. So let me move this so you can see this shape is now already here. So what if I want everything in this shapes or a start, I want to add it over here. So I'm going to control C, but I'm going to delete this first, then I'm going to align this. First you have to control C if you make it a control. So control C on the Windows, command C on the Mac. So if I want to actually copy this, so I can paste it over here, but I need to control exit so I can cut this. So I'm going to select my shape over here. So here and in this toolbar I'm going to click draw inside. So I'm going to select this one here. You can see I can draw over this shape, or I can bring the shapes from out as well. So this is the shape that I'm already cut it. So I'm going to control V. So here you can see now this shape is now showing here. So I can change a lot of things. So if I select this shape, so here you can see this this is off. So how I can change this star shapes inside this? So I need to go to this layers. If you didn't see the layer, you need to go to Windows. Here you can see this layers is available. So here let me click on this shape. So I'm going to select this one. So from here I can click on the opacity. I can select a multiply, color burn, lighten, or screen. So I'm going to select this as a screen, or I can select this multiply. So here you can see this is going to take effect with I'm going to click here. You can see this star shape is now multiply or screened over this red rectangle shape. So this is how we use this draw inside shape, and also we use clipping mask. Clipping mask mostly used when you design more lines inside for your backgrounds. Like if you have more lines and it's going outside your artboard, then this clipping mask is going to help you to actually put all your design inside your rectangle or inside your shape, or you can actually sort it out according to your artboard inside your Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and you learn something from this video. And if you think this video is really help you in your graphic designer career, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon on the subscribe button as well. So see you guys until next video.